Generally, a permit is required for any work that alters the structural integrity of a building, for example, adding or removing load-bearing walls. It is also required if work changes the use or occupancy of a building, for example, converting a garage to a living space. Work creating new openings in exterior walls, for example, adding windows or doors, also requires a permit. So does increasing the size or height of a building and installing or modifying plumbing, electrical, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Significantly changing the exterior appearance of a building, for example, adding a deck or altering the roofline, also necessitates a permit. Specific permit requirements may vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Here are some common examples of work that typically requires a permit. New construction always requires a permit, regardless of size or occupancy. Additions and alterations also require a permit. This means any significant structural changes to an existing building, including additions, alterations, or renovations. Electrical work requires a permit. This includes installing or modifying any electrical wiring, fixtures, or panels. Plumbing work needs a permit. This covers installing or modifying any water or sewer lines, fixtures, or appliances. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning work also needs a permit for installing or modifying any heating, ventilation, or air conditioning systems. Roofing work requires a permit for replacing or repairing a roof, including the installation of new roofing materials. Fencing and walls need a permit for installing or modifying fences, walls, or other structures that exceed certain height or length requirements. Finally, decks and patios often need permits for building or modifying decks, patios, or other outdoor living spaces. It's always best to contact the local building department before starting any work to confirm whether a permit is required. They can provide specific information about the permit requirements. Failure to obtain a permit when required can result in fines or penalties. It can also delay or prevent the completion of any project and impact the value of the property.